Here is the card box using the boxes.py hinge. This one's for the Magic the Gathering game that I play. And then this is the nice and easy lift. Goes up a little past 90 degrees. And gave myself, whoops, there we go, 6 card slots, 5 for the basic land types and all of their associated cards, and 1 for the colorless and miscellaneous cards to make a deck. I did have one problem with this particular wood. This is 1/4 inch birch ply from Home Depot, and there was a little bit of smoke fogging because I didn't have my settings right. These are nice, deep logos. There's definitely a very tactile feel. In fact, you can see it went down to the next layer. That was my fault. I lasered at 100 millimeters a second instead of 500 because I was previously doing oak, which doesn't take very well. But I went to sand it lightly and took this blonde thin layer veneer off. So this is exposing the wood below. So probably the best thing for this is a little bit darker stain and something more towards this color. And then it'll just wipe all of that away and you'll just have the dark recesses. But there you go.